Speak English fast with no grammar rules. Do you want to speak English fluently but don't know where to start? Yes, I understand English, but when I try to speak, my mind goes blank. That happens to many learners. But the fastest way to build fluency is not memorizing grammar rules. Really? Then what should I do? Start speaking simple sentences every day. But I'm afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are good. Every mistake helps you improve. Even children learn language by making mistakes. So, what should I practice first? Practice daily conversations. For example, I woke up early today. I ate breakfast. I watched a movie yesterday. These simple sentences build confidence. That sounds easy. Anything else? Yes, 3 powerful habits. Number 1, speak for 10 minutes every day. Number 2, listen to English stories or videos. Number 3, think in English instead of translating. Thinking in English, how do I do that? Start with simple thoughts. Instead of thinking, I need water in your language, just think in English, I want water. Oh, that sounds easy. Exactly. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. So, if I practice daily, I can become fluent. Yes, remember this rule. Speak more, fear less, practice daily. That's motivating. I will start today. Great! And if you want more simple English tips, subscribe to the channel. Thank you.